Do you find yourself tossing and turning at night? Do you struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep? If so, you're not alone. Insomnia is a common problem that affects millions of people worldwide. But don't worry, there are natural remedies that can help you get the restful sleep you need. In this video, I'm going to share with you some natural remedies for insomnia. These remedies are safe, effective, and easy to use. Before we move on, subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification for future videos. So if you're ready to start sleeping better tonight, keep watching. Create a sleep-conducive environment. The first step in treating insomnia naturally is to create a sleep-conducive environment. This means making sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. You should also invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. A cool bedroom temperature of around 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 19 degrees Celsius, is ideal for sleep. You can use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any light that might interfere with your sleep. Earplugs or white noise machines can help block out any noise that might keep you awake. Investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows can also help improve your sleep quality. Establish a bedtime routine. A bedtime routine can help prepare your body for sleep by signaling that it's time to wind down. Relaxing activities, such as reading or taking a warm bath, can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can interfere with sleep. You should also avoid using electronic devices, such as smartphones or tablets, before bedtime, as the blue light emitted by these devices can interfere with your sleep. Avoid stimulants. Avoiding stimulants, such as caffeine and nicotine, can help improve your sleep quality. You should also avoid alcohol before bedtime, as it can disrupt your sleep. Caffeine is a stimulant that can interfere with your sleep quality if consumed too close to bedtime. Nicotine is another stimulant that can interfere with your sleep quality. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy initially, but it can disrupt your sleep later in the night. Try natural supplements. There are several natural supplements that can help improve your sleep quality. These include melatonin, valerian root, and chamomile tea. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Taking melatonin supplements may improve sleep quality and morning alertness in older adults with insomnia. Valerian root is an herb that has been used for centuries to treat insomnia. Chamomile tea has mild sedative effects and may help reduce anxiety, which can interfere with sleep. Practice relaxation techniques. Practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, which can interfere with sleep. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety, which are common causes of insomnia. Deep breathing involves taking slow, deep breaths from the diaphragm, which helps slow down your heart rate and relax your muscles. Meditation involves focusing on the present moment and clearing your mind of distracting thoughts, which helps reduce stress and anxiety. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise has been shown to improve sleep quality by reducing stress and anxiety. However, exercising too close to bedtime may interfere with your sleep as it increases alertness and raises body temperature, which makes it harder to fall asleep. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein may help improve your sleep quality by providing essential nutrients that support healthy sleep patterns. You should also avoid eating heavy meals before bedtime, as this may cause discomfort, which interferes with your ability to fall asleep. Limit daytime naps. Limiting daytime naps can help improve your sleep quality at night. If you must nap during the day, keep it short, 20 to 30 minutes, and avoid napping too close to bedtime. Reduce screen time. The blue light emitted by electronic devices, such as smartphones and tablets, can interfere with your sleep by suppressing melatonin production. Reducing screen time before bedtime can help improve your sleep quality by allowing your body to produce melatonin naturally. Take a warm bath. Taking a warm bath before bed can do wonders for your sleep. The rise and fall of your body temperature during and after a bath can actually help signal to your brain that it's time to wind down. Add a few drops of relaxing essential oils like chamomile or lavender for an extra touch of tranquility. Hypnosis. It is a very effective natural remedy for insomnia. works by tapping into the power of the subconscious mind. During a hypnosis session, a trained professional guides the individual into a deeply relaxed state, where suggestions for better sleep patterns and relaxation are given. This process helps bypass the conscious mind's resistance and allows direct access to the subconscious, where deeply ingrained patterns and beliefs about sleep can be addressed. By rewiring these patterns, hypnosis can help alleviate anxiety, quiet the mind, and promote a more restful sleep. It serves as an effective tool for reprogramming the mind and establishing healthier sleep habits naturally. Use relaxation apps or soothing sounds. Use relaxation apps or soothing sounds, such as rainfall or ocean waves, during your bedtime routine. Listening to calming sounds can help quiet a racing mind, block out distractions, and improve sleep quality. Whether through dedicated apps, audio recordings, or YouTube videos, these soothing sounds can be a valuable tool in helping you drift off into a restful slumber. Massage. Massage is a wonderful natural remedy for insomnia due to its ability to relax the body and calm the mind. Through gentle and targeted touch, massage stimulates the release of endorphins and promotes the production of serotonin, which are neurotransmitters associated with relaxation and improved sleep. Alternative therapies. Alternative therapies, such as acupuncture and acupressure, offer promising avenues for addressing insomnia and regulating sleep patterns. Acupuncture involves the insertion of thin needles at specific points on the body to stimulate energy flow and restore balance. This ancient Chinese practice has been shown to promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, and regulate the release of hormones that influence sleep. Acupressure, on the other hand, applies pressure to these same points using fingers, hands, or specialized tools. By targeting key areas, acupressure can relieve tension, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality. Spending time in nature. Spending time in nature has a remarkable ability to positively impact your sleep patterns. Exposure to natural light during the day, especially in the morning, helps synchronize our circadian rhythm, promoting better sleep quality at night. The fresh air and tranquility of natural environments reduce stress levels, allowing for more restful sleep. Additionally, physical activities in nature, such as hiking or gardening, improve overall fitness, leading to more tiredness at bedtime. Nature's calming effect and its ability to reduce anxiety contribute to a peaceful mind, facilitating a deeper and more rejuvenating slumber. So there you have it, some natural remedies for insomnia that you can start using today. Remember, getting enough restful sleep is essential for your overall health and well-being. If you're still struggling with insomnia after trying these remedies, be sure to talk to your doctor. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend. Subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications for future health-related content. Take care and see you soon.